Hello friends, welcome to the final video of automation of Active Directory series, and in this video I will show you how you can import users from CSV to Active Directory. Okay, so for example, I just created few users with their employee IDs, username and official name. And for example, in your case, if you have some users and you get some data in your Excel file, you can just export this in CSV, and then we can import that inside Python, and we will then send to Active Directory to create users. So we have these 50 users, and now I want to create users from this CSV. Let's go back to our Active Directory server client. Okay, so AD client that we created here. Now we need to, or maybe I can just create a new file. That will be much more easy. Okay, so let me just create a new file. Let me just put a name, something like AD operations. Oh, okay, we already have this file, something like CSV. Okay, that works. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to import the CSV first. Okay, so the CSV is already in the same folder I just copied here. So if you want to read any CSV file inside Python, for that you can utilize Python inbuilt CSV module. And first you need to import the CSV module, then second thing, you need to read the CSV file. So whenever you read the file, you can just use the normal file open method of Python. So open the file name, and our file name is sample.csv. Here we have the sample.csv file, and you need to provide the mode. I want to open this in read mode. Okay, and you can actually provide something like this: mode equals to read. Okay, and then as CSV file. So with that, you are opening this CSV file as CSV file, and then you need to create a reader. So let's just create a CSV reader, and there you just go to CSV, then get a class dict reader, because all the information that we have here, we actually have three information, which is employee ID, username and official name, and we want to query that in a dictionary format. I will just show you here, then it will be much more easy to understand. So let's just pass your CSV file in the class. So we read this CSV file from your file system and you just pass this into dict reader. And now let's just go and print the row. Okay, so for row in CSV reader, and let's just print the row. Okay, run this and we'll see all the employees in the CSV now inside Python here. So now they are in a dictionary format, and you know that if you want to extract something from dictionary, for example, let's say official name, you can use something like that. Okay, so let's just print that. Voila, all you get is the employee name of all the users. Let's just put this in the variable, so it's very easy for us to send this to our AD bot. So let's just put this official name equals to row official name, employee ID and username. These three are mandatory to create a user inside Active Directory. So for example, let's just create username and employee ID. See, this completely depends on your own structure. I'm not saying that you are following the same one, but in your case, username, instead of username you can use like user ID, and employee ID. Instead of that you can use employee number. But this is the header here. I will show you here why I'm typing this, because here I mention user ID, username, and employee ID, username, and official name. That's why I'm using the same here. Okay, and that's what I need to provide to my AD client function, where I need to create a new user. So see, when we create a new user, we need to provide these three. Let's just create new users inside Active Directory. Okay, he just let's just log in again. Okay, so right now we have anything. Refresh. No, we don't have anything. End user. Let's just go and delete that also. So make sure we have clean AD. Okay, so refresh and go to this. Now we already created a AD client, so we'll just import that also. So import AD client, and from AD client we will call our function. So AD client dot add create user, and create user required username, employee ID, and your display name will be your official name. Official name will be the display name, and all users active true. So make all user true, active true, so they can straightforward go and log in with the default password. Okay, so with that we just read the CSV file, and now we are ready to create users. Let's just open our AD board so we can straightforward see if there is anything wrong. Run, and we see like they are all success message, no problem at all. Ta-dang! So 50 users created with just a second, and refresh that. Whoa, and you see that all users are created by AD board, and if you double click that you can see the user's name. I just put some weird name. Okay, names, all names are here, created by this, and the user are active. And the same way, if I don't want, I can remove also. So I can read directly from there. And to remove, you remember what was the command? To remove, our command is manage user, and you need to provide the username and just say delete. Okay, so here use AD client dot manage user, and username is your username. Sorry. And mode equals to delete. Yes, and run. AD bot working? Yes, it's working. All good. Just refresh, and you just clear all Active Directory users that you just created. Now I'll just add back because I like all those users. Okay, so now this is it for this entire series. I hope you found a lot of new things and you learned a lot of new things from this entire video series. And if you want to download my same source code, you can get from my GitHub repository, which is github.com/vfxpipeline, and there you can get all this source code, even the exe, adbot.exe, Python files. So friends, this is it for this video series. Thank you very much for your time. You watch my videos. I really appreciate that. Your comments, your feedback is really important for me. Whatever your feedback, just please subscribe and just send me emails. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. That will motivate me to create more video series for you guys. Okay, thank you very much. I will see you in my next video series. Goodbye.